In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix DJI Osmo Mobile 6. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how you can possibly fix various different issues that you have with your Osmo Mobile 6. So I'm going to showcase two solutions that could help. The first one is very basic, but it is still something that you should take your time and do properly. So check to see if it is fully charged. Sometimes the battery level display could be inconsistent, and by doing a full charge, you will let any sort of temporary issues that you might be having clear up. So I highly recommend that you plug it into a power adapter, plug it into the wall, and let the battery charge fully. Of course, if you are 100% sure that this is not the problem, then you can skip ahead to another solution, but this is something that I would try before anything else. Give it up to an hour or even more, and you will be able to fully charge the device, allowing any sort of temporary issues related to power draw clear up. Now, like I said before, if you are absolutely sure that this is not the problem, or if this does not work, then what I recommend is that you reset the device. To perform a reset, you will press the record button, the switch button, and the trigger at the back at the same time simultaneously for a few seconds. So hold down all of these buttons for a few seconds. By doing this, a reset will be performed. You can hold them down until you see some form of change in the LED indicators, or you can count 10 to 15 seconds. Once everything is counted and you properly perform the reset, you can power it on, or rather power it off and then on again. And this should also help clear up any temporary glitches. By doing this reset, you will have to establish the Bluetooth connection again, so keep that in mind. You will open the mobile app, you put it in close proximity with your device with Bluetooth enabled, and as long as you are using the DJI Mimo app, you will be able to connect it again. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.